Okay, this is question 3. Given that the expression here can be represented as Sn. Find the value of n if the value of Sn is equal to 0.48. We have seen this type of question a few times, so it's not difficult to deal with that. First of all, each of the term here can be represented at 1 over 2r minus 1 times 2r plus 1. And this can be written as 2r plus 1 minus 2r minus 1 over 2r minus 1, 2r plus 1. We have to check it carefully. So for this, 2r minus 2r cancel off. 1 minus negative 1 is 2, but there's 1 here, so there should be a half here. So the partial fraction for this should be equal to half 1 over 2r minus 1 minus 1 over 2r plus 1. Okay, so for Sn, it can be written as half 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5 all the way to 1 over 2n minus 1 minus 1 over 2n plus 1. And many of these terms can be cancelled off from here. So this is equal to half 1 minus 1 over 2n plus 1. And this is equal to 2n plus 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 cancel off, 2n and 2 cancel off, so this is n, 2n plus 1. And now, Sn is given by n over 2n plus 1. But it's given that Sn in this case is equal to 0.48. 0.48 is equal to 48 over 100. Or we can write as 24 over 50. So in this case, 48n plus 24 equals to 50n. 2n equals to 24, n is equal to 12. And therefore 12 is the answer for question 3.